So can you build muscle right at home? Absolutely 100%. Doesn't matter. You can build muscle at the gym and you can build muscle right at home. It's been over 3 years now. I did not go to the gym. I've been doing all home workout, simple diet, and I get gains. I went from 165 pounds throughout the year, coming up to 207 pounds right now, gaining right at home. If you have the space, you could work out at home. You don't have the space, you could hit the gym. But right now, I'm in Long Island, New York, and coming up to fall time, we're gonna be doing some lean bulking. Lean bulking is basically gaining more muscle and less fat. We're gonna gain some fat, but it's gonna be more muscle than fat. And there's two bulking. You could go to dirty bulking or the clean bulking. I did the dirty bulking one time and I regret it because I got so fat. I don't know, most of these fitness guys are telling people on YouTube, oh, you could eat your sandwich, you could go to Burger King, you could go to McDonald's. Yeah, what's burning your fat? Because that's not burning my fat. Sorry, I'm natural, I'm real, and whatever we eat, we pay the price for. Literally, if you keep eating bad food, what do you think you're gonna have? A six pack? You're gonna have some cuts? No way. You have to stick to a good diet. My theory is about food is about 60% and training is about 40%. So subscribe for more upcoming videos and I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to build muscle, how I'm working out, and I'm going to do a lot of shorts what to eat. There's a lot of food and a lot of things that people are getting mixed up with. There's a lot of stuff I learned through. I had to learn throughout the years because I used to read magazine and watch a lot of YouTube videos. And half of this stuff was bogus. Don't believe all these people, oh, just take this and eat your regular food and eat whatever you want. No, it doesn't work like that. If you want to lose weight, it comes down to your diet. If you want to build muscle, it comes down to your diet. Everything we do comes down to our diet, comes down to what we eat, how much time we eat, the portion control when we eat, and when we're eating it. It's all important. So don't forget to subscribe. We got more videos. Next video, I'm going to show you how small this area is that I'm using and simple stuff that I have to use to build muscle right at home. And the way I'm going to show you, we're going to build muscle and lose fat. Of course, you could build muscle and lose fat. The more muscle you build, the more fat you burn. And the more healthy food you put in your body, where are you getting the bad stuff from? If you're going to put all healthy food in your body, how can you gain fat? How can you get like out of shape if you're eating all healthy and training all healthy? It's not that hard.